Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. I just received this box. I think it's a Commodore 128D, the plastic model. Let's make a quick unboxing video. It's a YouTube donation and I just want to share this moment with you guys. I have a Commodore 128D, the metal version that I prefer. I think it's the best one, but let's open this plastic version and look at the difference. I hate when it's packed this well. All right. Come to Papa. Okay, Commodore. Let's look at this. Okay. Okay, we got a joystick here. Does it have Amiga discs? I don't know. We got a lot of discs here. Amiga mouse. Another joystick. It's something with an autofire here. It's probably a big Scorpion. It's the quick shot with autofire. Alright. It's well packed. Thank you. Yeah, we got a lot of Amiga discs. This is another joystick. This is the arcade. More Amiga discs. Something. I don't know. What? This is not a. Okay, this is another donation, guys. This is not the Commodore 128. I think this is the Amiga 500. I have mailed with yeah, it's the Amiga. It's an Amiga 1200. Oh, nice. Nice donation, guys. Yeah, the trapdoor is most interesting, but yeah. All right, it's another Amiga 1200, and that's really great. I love these machines. I really appreciate it. Man, we got a lot of manuals here. Just power drive. Yeah, it's the Amiga 1200. Cannon fodder. Look at this antenna cable. Oh, hey, we got an external disk drive here with a blank disk inside, and it's totally unknown model. Nothing is written. If this one does not work, I'm gonna make an external GoTech drive. So, but only if the drive doesn't work. I don't want to ruin original Amiga stuff. No way. Okay, a lot of nice manuals here. Deluxe Pen 4 manual. That's great. Really well. Oh yes. Look at this. This is the list for all the discs inside. That's great, man. That's just great. We got a 10-meter long connection cable here to the monitor if you want to sit from a long distance. Okay, and we got more discs here, I presume. I really love how well this has been packed. Yeah, more discs. Nice. Alright. I love Amiga discs. I love using them. More Amiga games. Okay, the PSU here. That's nice. And yeah, SCART connector. And I presume this is more discs. Yep, that's nice. Plugged in the new Amiga 1200 and I'm gonna power it up for the first time, so let's check it out. I'm ready to turn it off if something starts bang. Alright. And nothing happened. Oh! Yes. Okay, it was a bit slower than usual. I know it will search for the ID connectors and all that, but yeah. 3.0 ROMs, and I can hear the disc drive. Let's just try this. What? Listen to this. Listen. It starts loading from here. Oh, damn. Okay, I have to check the disk drive. So let's just plug in normal. All right. Well, it loads. And look at this. It's yellowed in the front and white in the back. Dusty and all that, but of course it will be cleaned and made perfect again. So, but it loads and the sound does work, guys. Nice. Oh man, it's awesome. Nice. Let's see if the keyboard works. Yep. I have a test disk. Sorry about the mess, guys. I'm working with a lot of stuff here. So I got a system test disk. Let's just see if this donation works as it should. It loads fine. It's got, where's the keyboard? That's F2. Yeah, seems to be working fine. Control. Alright, keyboard works. Floppy drive. Read test F6. That's nice. I think it's the disk detection thingies that needs to be cleaned also. Alright, and the mouse. Yeah, mouse. That works. I got a Logitech mouse on this donation. Oh, I'm so sorry. Amitech mouse. And it was the mouse I preferred back then. How do you test? Left channel, right channel. Nice. Video test. Memory 2 MB. What? Oh, it's got a memory. It's got something in. It's got 64 megabytes of chip RAM expansion. Oh, I'm sorry, 64 megabytes of fast RAM expansion. Man, that's nice. I'm gonna look at what card is in. Oh, it's a 68030. It's got an accelerator card inside. That's nice. 030 card with 64 megabytes of fast RAM. That's nice, man. What a donation. That's just great. All right. Well, guys, thank you for watching. It works. When I'm done with my Amiga 4000 here, I will start cleaning my Amiga 1200s. What a nice donation. I just love it when you write to me on YouTube and we just help each other, and these donations and all the help I also get when I have trouble with my Amigas and all that. You're just awesome, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.